कोरोनाच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर राज्यातील मजुरांना मदत करण्याच्या उद्देशानं राज्य सरकारच्या कामगार कल्याण योजनेअंतर्गत मदत निधी म्हणून खात्याकडे नोंद असलेल्या कामगारांना प्रत्येकी 6,000 रुपयांची मदत करण्यात आली आहे। जवळपास 10,000 कामगारांना ही मदत मिळाल्याची माहिती सरकारच्या वतीनं देण्यात आली। मात्र या कथित कामगार आणि आकड्यांबाबत गोवेकरांनी नेहमीच शंका उपस्थित केली आहे। मिळालेल्या माहितीनुसार या योजनेचा लाभ घेणाऱ्यांमध्ये काही प्रतिष्ठित संस्थांमध्ये उच्चस्तरीय पदांवर कार्यरत आहेत, मात्र त्यांची नावे मजूर म्हणून नोंद आहेत। सरकारनं या संपूर्ण प्रकरणाची चौकशीची मागणी होत आहे। सामाजिक कार्यकर्ते काशीनाथ शेट्ये आणि इनान्सियो परेरा हे या प्रकरणाकडे लक्ष देऊन आहेत।
पयरे पोरवरीम पयरे सगळे पोरवरीम पयले एकूच घरांतले पळय 4-4 लोक पयले तुवें हे पळय मरे अंबिराना सुकोरो पळय थंय 4-4 लोक पळय हे पळय पयले मागीर तुका आनी दाखयता हांव लायनीन पळय ते लायनीन हे पळय लायनीन हे पळय ह्या सायडीक लायनीन उगेम
See, this is the biggest labor scam which is in Goa. Now everyone has been given this 6,000 rupees to vote for, what will I say, to vote for this ZP elections and for the Panchayat election. Each one is paid. And this Panchayat have paid. Now see these 4 people. Now this is Fatima B. Patil. This is Imran Saab Patil. This is Nawatili Patil. And this is Dadapir Patil. When I rang this number, this 750-764-5899, this one Raju Patil picks up and says that he does not have received that amount. Now this is around a list of 15,491 persons who have got this funds as a labor. This is a construction labor. But when I rang some 10-15 people, one person told me from Sukur that he's a newspaper agent. The other Sukur fellow told me he's a driver. One told me he's a shop owner. One fellow told me he's a punch. And most of them are labor contractors. But the real labor might be there are some labors also in this. But this money has gone in the wrong account. And this training has not been given to anyone. They have filled a form, they have given them, but some people are having lakhs in their accounts and they have been paid that 6,000. Now municipality wanted, everyone wanted that they want labor. They can take these labors and which we have already paid them. They can do their work from this labor. Now this has to be investigated. One punch is there from Rivora. She has taken money. One sarpanch, expert sarpanch, she has taken money. Now when I expose this scam, everyone wants to return the money. But they have filed the form, they have given their phone numbers, their addresses, Aadhaar number, account number, everything in detail with a photo. No training was given to them as well. And some have not paid even that fund. And some have been given pension also. I don't know how 40,000 pension and all is been given to some people. This is the biggest fraud which has to be investigated. In this, they have not checked anything. This has to be checked and FIR. I will also lodge an FIR. And just these phone numbers, you take a list from me and just check if your neighbor has done this fraud. Please, I beg to people that this should go in the account of the needy, not for such rich people. Rich people have taken sarpanches, punches and all have taken and they have given to their voters to vote for them in ZP. Thank you.
How many people according to you might be the fake?
This right now I am having around 16,000 list of these labors which are not there. This I don't think maximum sophisticated names are there in this. You can see this. These are the Amita Gaude, Buddha. This all so many names are there. Right? Radha Naik, Vishwanath Chari. And there are so many names which I don't think they are doing that business of this labor and all. And their skilled laborers are also included. Skilled laborers cannot be included, but I have seen that some skilled Sarvesh Naik and these people, there are so many like Deepak Gadekar and all. These people are all Atmaram Kambli and all these names are just taken. I inquired with 10-15 people from these names. They told me that they don't know anything about it, and they have received that account, and that for 6,000 and it has been paid in some installment for their car. If they are having a car and that 6,000 is gone for the installment, then they are not laborers, not at least construction laborers. They are doing a different work. That is my thing, and this should be investigated. And that money should come back. 1864 crores, whichever been paid to them, should come back in the account of government coffers.
And filing the FIR, you told.
I am filing an FIR, I am filing a complaint, I am writing it to the Labour Secretary, I am writing it to the Labour Minister, everyone I will do an FIR, I will see that now this lady who was a Sarpanch, ex-Sarpanch, she is afraid and she has filed a form as a labour. When she is having lakhs of rupees in her account, how she can file as a labour? And once you return, that does not mean you have done everything correctly. Now if you take money from my pocket, and when I come to know you have removed, you return it, that does not give you the right to quash your crime.